Howdy, Travis from KnowHow here. Today I'm going to walk you through the most transformative technology that KnowHow has ever released. It's called KnowHow Capture, and it takes a video and through the magic of artificial intelligence, it turns it into step-by-step documentation that you can have in any language. It is going to transform how you capture your expertise out in the field and equip everyone across your locations with what they need so they can do their jobs well and work competently and confidently. Let me show you exactly how it works. All right, so you can see here that I am on Know How. I'm going to click this plus button to go to the process create screen, and we've got some options up here, include this new little video icon. This is for our capture video functionality. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to find a video in my hub. And so here I'm going to click into wherever that video is. I've got it here. This video, you can see it here. First step that you're going to do before you start your demo. You got a guy named Big John that is explaining how to remove trim. So I'm just going to upload that video, and then everything else is going to happen magically in front of me. What's going to happen is KnowHow is going to watch that video, take the transcript of what Big John is telling us, in this case, how to remove trim, and then from that transcript, create a step-by-step process with video clips embedded all throughout the way so that you and your team members know what to do every step of the way. They've got a video for reference. It's being written right in front of me. Let's check it out. So you can see the process is being written live before our very eyes here. You've got 4 steps to remove trim from the wall. This is based on that 2-minute video that John filmed. First, you have to cut through the caulking joint. You've got a 9-second clip where he explains that.
So you're going to want to take a good knife blade and just run.
Step 2, remove excess caulk and paint the wall. Choose the right pry bar. Use the adjustable pry bar. Incredible. I'm going to click Finalize Details, and it's going to take that and turn it into a step-by-step process. Because this is going to be a step-by-step process in KnowHow, you get a few bonus features as a result. Now you can take that process and turn it into any language. So if you've got French-speaking workers or Spanish-speaking workers, normally they wouldn't understand what John is saying if he speaks English. But now, because of it being a process in KnowHow, you can translate it into French or Spanish. You can also take it and add it to your AI knowledge base. So now if someone out on a job site is searching, hey, what's the right pry bar to remove trim from the wall? Well, hey, let's just pretend I'm out on a job site and we'll ask that question ourselves. What's the right pry bar to remove trim from the wall? It's going to find the process we just created, how to remove trim from the wall, right in front of me. Recommend use suitable pry bars such as an adjustable pry bar for better leverage. Perfect. It's going to take me to that process that I just created. I can also translate that into Spanish, like we were talking about here. All right, so now I've converted my language into Spanish. So I just have to go back to that process that I was on before. In this case, click here, publish. Now it's going to take me back to this process that was written in English, and now it's all before us in Spanish. Incredible. I've got all the information. If I wanted to know what is the right pry bar to use in Spanish, I could ask that in Spanish. It's going to find the process in English and translate it right in front of me. I can also incorporate this training into new employee onboarding for a water technician, project manager, anything like that. All this information's
First step that you're going to do before.
With the video there in case I need it. KnowHow's capture functionality is going to transform how you are able to capture your how-to and knowledge within your company and put it in the hands of the people who need that information, whether they're in the office or out on the job site. This is just one place where Capture's technology is changing the experience of KnowHow. It's also in your mobile phone as well, and we have a Chrome extension so you can capture expertise and how-tos using different softwares and put that in the hands of your staff as well. For more information on how you can use Capture and KnowHow to transform how you equip your workers to work more competently and confidently, head to tryknowhow.com. Thanks.